Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Smartsheet. This is a really useful feature when you're tracking tasks, creating to-do lists, or managing project completion statuses. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged in with the account that contains the sheets you want to work with. After signing in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. Here, you'll see all your existing files and sheets displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific sheet where you want to add the checkbox column. Click on that sheet to open it. This could be any sheet you're currently using for project management, task tracking, or any other purpose where checkboxes would be helpful. Now that your sheet is open, look at the columns in your spreadsheet. Navigate to the last column on the right side of your sheet. This is where we'll be adding the new checkbox column. Position your cursor directly on the column name header at the top. You'll notice 3 dots appear. This is the column menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various column options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Insert Column Right. This action will create a new column immediately to the right of the one you clicked on. A dialog box will pop up, giving you options to configure your new column. In this dialog box, you'll first need to name your column. Type in a descriptive name that clearly indicates what the checkboxes are for. Something like tasks, completed, or done works well depending on your needs. After naming the column, look for the column type drop-down menu. From this menu, select checkbox. This is the key step that transforms your regular column into one that contains checkboxes. Smartsheet also gives you the option to choose different checkbox styles. You can select from various visual styles that best match your preference or your sheet's design. Browse through the available options and pick the one that appeals to you most. Once you've named your column, selected checkbox as the type, and chosen your preferred style, click OK to finalize your changes. The dialog box will close and your new checkbox column will now appear in your sheet, ready to use. You can now click any checkbox in that column to mark items as complete or checked off. And that's it. You've successfully added a checkbox column to your Smartsheet, making it easier to track progress and completion status at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.